With two people standing on either side of the backdrop, you will begin by unlocking the clips and sliding the rods down slowly. Be careful to lower the stand together at the same time. Press the clips inwards to lock it in place. Begin to unscrew the top screw lock and washer off the top of each tripod on either end of the backdrop. Carefully pull the rod off and then place the washer and screw lock back on top. You can now remove all the curtains off the rod. Next, slowly disconnect all the rod pieces. With each tripod, turn the lowest knob left 2 to 3 rotations. Then pull the base upwards to collapse the legs. Push them together, and then rotate the bottom knob to the right until it feels tight. Check to make sure the two silver washer and screw locks are in place. Once all pieces are disassembled, count to make sure all pieces are there. Pack each curtain panel into its appropriate bag and make sure that all pieces are free from any dirt or debris. Finally, place all backdrop pieces back into the carry bag for rental return. We appreciate that you followed along with our assembly and disassembly videos. Thank you for renting from Tabletops Rental.